Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. Welcome to our first video for 2017. We hope you had a fantastic holiday break and ready to start the new year off with a bang. So we're going to have a quick look at some of our systems that performed exceptionally well for 2016. And this is one that we kind of put together later in the year, but towards the middle of the year, and it went really well and really well up until the end of the year. So this is one that we're going to track. Obviously, soybeans is a market that seasonally is probably going to be fairly prominent over the next 3 to 6 months. So it's a great opportunity if you are trading the commodities. Obviously, with a lot of money coming into the commodity markets and the seasonal bias that some of these commodities have, to potentially be looking at trading some of these commodities, because not only have they got excellent opportunities, but also the margins are fairly low as well. So there's two reasons why we should be potentially looking at commodities to trade and to look at with our automation. So soybeans is one that we focused in on, and it's been tracking beautifully. So if we have a look at our monthly results, they've been fantastic. So December almost 3,000, November 3.5. October was fairly flat. So we didn't get negative, but we got pretty close. And then obviously September was a good month and a great month for July and August. So we're hoping that that trend continues, and there's no reason why it shouldn't. And we've started well in January. So we're expecting, or our expectation is, that we should do really well with our continuation trade at 200. Now, just a quick look at our stats here. We've got 124 trades loaded up here. There's an 81 average trade net profit. We have brokerage and slippage built into this this strategy, so I've added in a little bit extra there on the slippage as well. And our max drawdown there is at 31.52. But overall, a really solid strategy. It's got a profit factor of 2.08. Its longs and shorts are fairly even. Obviously, the short side is a little bit more prominent, but we're expecting that that soybeans will get a seasonal bias coming into January. So seasonals for soybeans are interesting because the last 30 years we've seen a prominent run up from February. So we're expecting that is potentially going to happen again. So there's no guarantee that we'll get that move, but a great market to be trading with increased volatility and obviously a focus to the long side. So we've had some good momentum to the short side. Now looking for a potential breakout to the long side. So last year it took till about March to kick into gear. So we're fairly flat at the moment. We're sideways on soybeans, but we're expecting, as I said before, that this market will break up, and we'll keep tracking that and monitor that. And the strategies that we're looking for, obviously we've got systems already built, ready or to take advantage of any volatility or any movement on soybeans. So they're working well now, so there's no reason why we're not going to be able to continue those strategies all the way through a potential breakout and an increase in volatility. So we'll see how we go, but that's a quick update. As I said before, our continuation trade is 66 on soybean, doing really good, really well. It's our Renko strategy. It's our Renko strategy. There's our last trade there. You can see a nice sell-off and taking some nice profit there on the way down. So that's a quick update on our soybean strategy 66, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.